Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix my Venmo account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in Venmo account frozen and then click on this frozen account link, and then that will lead you directly into Venmo Help Center. Now among them, you will find the option that says contact us. Simply click on it and then scroll down until you find the option that says submit a request. It's usually under the help was this helpful section, and once you click on it, fill up the informations required for the form, and once you scroll down there is a tell us box, and there what you need to do is briefly explain about the problem that you are facing along with the screenshot by attaching it in the attachment section. And once you are done, click on submit, and after a couple of business days the Venmo customer support team will reach out to you and fix your issue. The next thing that you can do is click on the search bar and then type in suspended and then check to see if any of the options work for you. You can also directly call on the given number to directly contact Venmo representative and then tell them about your problem and they will fix it for you. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.